All right. The next question is about how does one teach eye contact? I usually give a much more long-winded answer, but as we kind of get closer or further and further away from the time that we should stop, I'll give you the short answer instead. The goal is to try to make eye contact enjoyable for the child. And so that's what we do is we start with reinforcement sampling when we've developed a lot of social and physical and all these interactions with the child that the child actually enjoys a lot of those. Then we add eye contact to solicit that reinforcement. In the beginning, you're just going to get the child to be really good about accepting a wide variety of reinforcement. And then when they're good with that, you just start with eye contact. And how you start, you sit right in front of the child and you just wait. And when they look at your eyes, you go in and you provide them with reinforcement. And so you keep on doing that until they get good about always sitting down and immediately looking at your eyes to get the reinforcement. Once the child gets good at that, then we expand it so that that you walk around the child in a 180-degree arc, and that they have to go and turn their heads to find your eyes. Once they find it, you go in to reinforce them. One of the later steps is then going in a 360 arc around them. So the child actually has to physically turn all the way around to look for you, but you can be anywhere around the child and they are soliciting your eye contact. We require eye contact depending on the program that we're running. So if the child requests items and they're good with requesting items, we add eye contact as a contingency to them getting the item, you know? So if they want something like, oh, they want water, then we make them say water if they can say it, but then they have to look at our eyes before we'll give them the water.